An argon gas sample has a mass of 15.00 grams. It is held in a container at 363 Kelvin. The pressure is at 0.967 atmospheres. How much volume will this argon sample occupy? Okay, well, we're working with argon. We know that much. And the conditions of this argon, its mass is 15.00 grams, okay? It's held in a container at a temperature of 363 Kelvin. And then the pressure is 0.967 atm, or atmospheres. It says how much volume? That's what we're looking for. How much volume will this sample occupy? So let's think about the equation. PV equals nRT. Well, right away we don't